Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about BikeMap and you click here. In this page of app info, you will go to Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and